Hi. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you how to convert web pages into PDF using JavaScript Node.js and PDF.co web API. We provide a link of the full tutorial in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more additional information. We will use this sample web page and convert it into a PDF format. So without any delay, let's get started. First, open your Visual Studio Code Editor. You can also use other code editor of your choice. Next, input the JavaScript sample code. You can access the sample code in the description box below. In line 8, add your PDF.co API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. In line 12, input the URL of the web page that you want to convert into a PDF document. In line 14, specify the name for your generated PDF file. After setting up the code and making any necessary changes, save the file. Now to execute the program, open a new terminal and type the following command, node space and your JavaScript file name. Once the program executed successfully, check your JavaScript program folder to view the output. Here's the generated PDF document from web page. We have a wide range of available tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. You may also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.